Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use the upper and lower method to transform anything into uppercase or lowercase. So in order to do that, let's create two sentences. So the first one is let's write test1 and test1 is I will make this sentence uppercase. Okay. So this is test 1 and test 2 is let's put on the caps lock and let's write I'll make this sentence lower case. So we have our two case. So in order to transform this one into uppercase, we need to use the upper method, which you can use just by writing test 1 then upper. But I want to get the print version of it, so let's have this in the print. So let's write print then this test1 upper. Now if I just run this test, you can see I'll make this sentence uppercase. So this is basically this sentence which got transformed into uppercase. And now I want to get the lower version of this one, lowercase version, sorry. And for that I need to write test2, and instead of upper I need to change it into lower, not this lower, so yeah, we are good to go. And if I run this one, you can see I'll make this sentence lowercase, which is basically this sentence. So all you need to do is use upper or lower method, and basically your sentence will get transformed. So this is really easy. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Oh, I did a typo. This will be sentence. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.